Good morning, TL Travelers. Welcome back to the TL Travel YouTube channel. I am admittedly having a small meltdown right now. I am in my closet, if you want to know. I don't even know. Today I'm supposed to be filming for you a packing video, which is something that I'm usually very, very good at, packing for vacations and like packing small. However, this is the first long trip that I'm going on where I'm going to be doing a ton of different types of work while I'm there, as well as visiting like a ton of different types of hotels. So usually I'm like either luxury travel or I'm backpacking or I'm gonna be in Airbnbs, etc., etc. This trip is so scattered. I'm also like spending some time with family and leading a trip at one point. I'm on the road for months. I'm visiting 3 different countries and I'm doing a ton of different activities. I have to bring a ton of stuff for my group travelers, and then I also have to like bring all of my camera equipment because Derek's not going to be with me the whole time. So usually he has a bag that like he can put a bunch of filming equipment in. I am gonna have to carry all the filming equipment and all of my stuff for like the whole chunk of time that we're gone. So yeah, I'm sitting here in my closet with my suitcase on the ground in front of me, the suitcase that I usually bring, just thinking there's no way that it's big enough. And I hate traveling with like a full-size suitcase, but then I also don't want to travel with like 7 little bags. So I think I'm gonna have to get a bigger bag, or I don't know, now I'm just rambling. Sometimes I just have an idea in my head of like the way a video is gonna go, or just like in general, the way life is gonna go. And it just does not happen that way. So I picked up the camera anyways because I have to film a video and I need some sort of packing information for you guys. But yeah, this is the real scoop. I mean, I've done this so many times before and got my packing down to an absolute art. And officially I'm still at a loss. So if you struggle with packing, you are not alone. Not at all. This is a nightmare. So another problem that I'm also having is that I recently moved, and when I moved, I got rid of a ton of stuff that I didn't really like, that I hadn't been wearing or that I didn't think that I was gonna need, and left myself with a ton of winter stuff, but I really limited myself as far as like travel and like summer clothing that I left for myself, because for some reason I thought I was gonna have an opportunity to like go out and do a little bit of summer shopping before I left, which, I mean, there's time for shopping, but there's nothing on the racks for summer. It's freaking winter, Canadian winter, -45 winter. So yeah, a lot of my like go-to pieces are gone, and that is also creating a bit of a struggle for me. I don't know. I need a better idea than this.
2,000 years later.
Okay, so here's the tea. It has been like an hour and a half, almost 2 hours, since I went in to start what I thought was going to be the easiest day of packing I've ever experienced. It was not, and I am getting more and more frustrated by the sheer amount of clothing that I need to bring to do all of the different types of activities that I'm gonna be doing while I'm over there. And I recently went to a color and clothing class with this girl here in Edmonton. Her Instagram is at all.set.style, and she offers packing classes. And I was thinking to myself, what is the one thing that I always say to people about TL travel and what I do in like the planning process for people's travel is that like, it's not that you can't do it yourself. you can do it yourself. However, having a professional do it for you or help you through it is going to ensure that you do it correctly. And not only will it alleviate like all of the stress of actually planning it, but it will also alleviate all of the stress that you would feel when you're over there being unsure of how things are working and all that kind of stuff. Like all of that is done. So much of the possible stress on this trip is going to come from whether or not I have the things that I need. And being someone who's so used to traveling with so little, I don't think that I can travel with a ton of stuff. So she is essentially the like travel planner of the packing world, and I am going to enlist her help to pack. And in doing so, I'm also going to provide you guys with some helpful tips and tricks for packing yourselves, because I always want to feel like I'm providing value for you guys. And this just, I mean, other than the fact that this just goes to show that everyone can use a little help sometimes. Yeah, other than that, I feel like this video isn't going to provide you the kind of value that you might need in a packing video. So this is not going to be my packing video. This is going to be my rant video. And in my next video, I'm going to bring over Shelby from All Set Style, and she is going to help me create some sort of a capsule wardrobe for my travels, and also provide you guys with some helpful tips and tricks for packing, you know, like the way that a normal person usually packs. I feel like I'm in a very specific niche of traveler, and I know that she's going to be able to provide a lot more value and tips and things for you guys. Yeah. So yeah, I'm done rambling now, and I think I got my whole rant out. So sorry about today and the negativity that was this video, but hit that subscribe button and stick around for my next video, because yeah, that's gonna be the packing info that you need and that you want. And if that's not enough, you're gonna wanna hit that subscribe button, really just because we post new travel content every Thursday and Sunday, and we are heading off to Bali and Thailand and another secret undisclosed destination that I'm so excited to share with you guys. So yeah, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button if you love travel content and think that packing is just the worst thing ever. And until next time, stay great, travel safe, and I'll see you in my next video.